In this video, I'll show you how you can fix that your monitor is not showing 144 Hz. Now, obviously, you want to make sure that your monitor is even at 144 Hz or above. But if you're sure that it is and you come in here and you cannot find it down here, then what you might have to do is update your driver. The way that you can do this is searching for Device Manager, come to your display adapters, right click and make sure you update your GPU from in here. Also go to monitor and make sure you update the driver in here. Once you've done that, check if it works. If that still doesn't work, another thing you should do is download the NVIDIA app. And you want to open this app, and from in here, if you're using another like AMD, that's fine as well, but you want to make sure that you download the latest driver from in here. So come here and press download and you'll get the latest driver. After that, restart your PC and that should hopefully work for you. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.